Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers and learners. Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you all are very fine. You are very welcome in this video conversation session. Actually, I'd like to share some views with you. Actually, language learning is practical things. It's not learning some words and expressions. Actually, you need to know how to manage your expressions, how to express your feelings practically based on your requirement and environment. In that case, we need to learn some practical expressions, and what we get or learn from our books, all these are theoretical. We get marks and certificate, but this is not language acquisition or language learning, and that we can go with the preparation for subject. Usually what we do, we study a particular syllabus and appear exam, get marks and certificate, and that is for our academic qualification experience. But language learning is something different. Language means life of a language, how you communicate, how you can deal with the people, how you can express your feelings, how you ask for any information, how to give you suggestions, or how you give guidelines and directions, how you share your views or opinion. So language learning, it can never be only based on books and academic experience. So what you need to do, you need to learn a lot of things outside the text and syllabus. You need to practice reading newspaper, you need to listen TV news, you can watch English movies, and outstanding English speech and presentation, and you can use the best use of your cell phone, mobile phone, and internet. If you are really very eager, interested, you can learn a lot of things from a lot of places around you. You just need to focus on learning, never focus on mistakes and grammar, because regarding communication, speaking, the main objective is to communicate with the people or share ideas and views, not to use grammar. So it's very simple. When you want to speak something in English, what you need to do, you can just throw the words and expressions, information. You can communicate, you can give the information and words, and automatically people will come to know what you are going to say. And if it is okay, if you can make your listener understand what you're going to say, that is fine. So you can, if you are good good to communicate, that will be okay for speaking. So regarding speaking, when you speak, you need to focus on using word and expressions rather than using grammar. You should not focus on mistakes. You know what, you will practice, you will speak, and automatically you will improve. Your speaking will improve gradually. So what you need to do, you need to focus on communication. You can use variety of words, you can express different way, you can follow simple expressions, complex expressions, as you can do comfortably. But you need to speak, you need to start at first using words, single word, then you can use group of words, phrase and clause, and you can use most common expressions. You can learn something, you can use it. You can watch something and then remember, you can use it. You can make your own expressions. So this is the way you can start learning English. If you can keep continued practice, automatically you will get better communicative skills. So it depends on orientation. So practice more and more, explore your English skills, and be a good and fantastic speaker. Best wishes for all. Thank you so much. Bye.